In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a contact via ticket actions in Freshdesk, effectively managing and preventing future unwanted submissions from that particular individual. This can be a handy tool for maintaining a clutter-free ticketing system and ensuring that your focus remains on important issues rather than unwanted communication. To begin, let's navigate to your tickets list. This area is essentially the hub for all incoming tickets and requests that you and your team will handle. It's important to familiarize yourself with this space since it's where you'll be checking on submissions and overseeing the various tickets generated by contacts. Once you're here, you'll want to open the specific ticket that has been submitted by the contact you're aiming to block. This step is essential because you'll need access to the individual ticket to proceed. As you open the ticket, take a moment to glance at the Ticket Action toolbar. It's usually positioned at the top of the ticket interface, providing several useful actions that can be taken on the ticket. Among these options, you should find Mark as Spam. This function is generally used to identify and deal with unwanted spam in the system. I recommend using it judiciously for tickets that truly are spam or are from contacts you decide need to be blocked. Now, once you've identified the correct ticket and you're sure about the action you want to take, go ahead and select the Mark as Spam option. At this point, Freshdesk does something particularly useful. Upon marking a ticket as spam, it offers an additional feature where you can choose to block the contact who submitted the ticket. You'll be presented with an option to confirm this, and it's crucial to proceed gently here. By confirming the block, you're informing Freshdesk that all future tickets from this contact should be automatically treated as spam. This essentially streamlines the process of managing unwanted communications going forward. Once confirmed, rest assured that any subsequent tickets from that contact will bypass your primary ticketing view and be marked as spam, freeing up your team's time and resources for more pressing and legitimate issues. I hope you found this guide clear and useful. Managing requests efficiently is key to maintaining a responsive and effective support operation. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on how to block contacts or handle unwanted tickets. Thank you for watching.